Here's how to change your iPhone color back to normal. So for example, if I were to have this turned on and my iPhone was in grayscale mode, here's how to turn it back off. So go to settings, from there go to accessibility, then on display and text size, scroll down until you see color filters and turn it off. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video helped you out, let me know by posting something in the comments below.